So this pose is called Bhujangasana, otherwise known as Cobra. So starting laying on our stomachs or laying on the mat, and you want to try and frame your chest with your hands. You can see my toes are untucked. And then with Cobra, there's a few variations, but we'll start with just our first normal Cobra. So usually when teachers cue this, they say inhale to press yourself up. And you notice my arms are quite close together. So my triceps or my elbows are tucked into the sides. And then I'm pressing the tops of my feet down into the mat. My legs are engaged, my glutes are engaged, and this protects the lower back. So it's a nice back extension. And you want to try and direct your gaze forward and then lower down with control. So let's do that again. On the inhale, you're pressing yourself up. Exhale to lower back down. And a baby cobra is even smaller, so the movement's very small. And usually also if people want to challenge baby cobra, you can try and float your hands off the mat. So you see this movement. So inhale to lift up, exhale to lower. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Or another variation is called high cobra, and that's extending your arms all the way up. So this is also very similar to a seal shape, but I like to cue this as high cobra. And then also what's nice is you can sort of shimmy out your shoulders from side to side. It's just a nice way to add movement into the back area, into the spine, and again lower down with control. And it's important always to remember to press the tops of your feet down, especially when finding a position like this. It protects your back from overpinching or hyperextension. And then another variation is called a rolling cobra. So I tent my fingertips wide, want my hands stacked underneath my elbows, and it's a smaller range of movement, and you're lifting up. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. So the idea is a rolling cobra. You can see with my head, I'm kind of rolling like a wave. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. And exhale to lower. Right. So that is Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. Again, it's the high cobra, baby cobra, rolling cobra with the fingertips wide. So again, feel free to try that out and let me know how it goes.